Hi guys, it's Naomi, co-founder of Garage Gym Life, and today is my review of the KASUE upgraded infrared sauna box. Now, it was really easy to go ahead and assemble. It did take less than an hour. It was just me putting it together. There were a couple questions, but honestly, the instructions were really simple. You just followed it all the way through, and setup was a breeze. I did go ahead and rearrange because anyone that has seen videos of this area before knows that we had our water fountain over here, and then also is our door to be able to access the gym. But I was able to rearrange, fits nice and comfortably in this nook between my office and the gym, and honestly, I wouldn't have it any other way. It's a great tool to have in my toolbox when it comes down to my weight loss journey as well as my health journey. I've used it now a handful of times now since receiving it. So on Sundays, it's usually my longest period in the sauna. It's my reset day as well as my self-care day. So I'm usually in here for almost about an hour, just letting it work. And I enjoy it, definitely. One of the things, again, that I enjoy is, again, the fabric does make it seal fairly easily. You do have the chair, so that way you can sit and be comfortable while you're in there. After my session, I'll go ahead and I will leave the door open to kind of let the sauna kind of cool down. And again, I'll use it as a post-workout, or during the week when I have used it, I'll use it usually after a mobility session to just kind of relax. I'll probably be in there for maybe about 20 to 40 minutes. I know some people may use the sauna as a tool for warm-ups. I like mine as a post for recovery purposes. However, if you are interested to be able to get your hands on one of these, you can find it in the link in our description below, or look into our Amazon store. We'll have it posted there for you. Again, it's a great little tool to have, a great investment to be able to add to your toolbox for your health. So again, thank you so very much for watching my review as well as the setup. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye for now.